Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for clicking on this video, and today I'm going to show you how to enable advanced features in your YouTube channel. So once you're logged into the channel that you are wanting to enable these advanced features in, go into the YouTube studio, and on the left side you should see the settings right here. Go ahead and click on that, and then from here you're going to want to click on channel. And then after here, you're going to want to click on feature eligibility. And right here, you can just expand advanced features. So to make sure that you are enabled, it shows you everything right here. And for me, it's just the channel history, which is about 2 months old. But you can also send in a valid ID or a video verification that you actually own the channel. And that's about it. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.